Hey guys, Brandon Detail Doctor here. Have a wonderful day to you all. Just wanted to show you something pretty cool. This is my extractor. Believe it or not, it's a vacuum master, and this attachment is around $220 with the whole setup. It sprays water and it works just like a vacuum, so it has the horsepower of this vacuum, which is stronger than any Mighty that I know of. So how I work it is I have a pump, which is a gravity fed system to my AR Blue 630 total stop protection. And then I have this splitter, one that goes to the pump here just for this. Now it just kicked on, and then right here this goes to my hose to fill up buckets. So I did all of this myself, nobody helped me. And I have a battery, a 12-volt battery. I end up putting my reel over there now so I can get to my air, my steamer, and then the blue line goes all the way over here. All the way to the hose setup. And then whenever I want to disconnect, I just open the valve and all the water comes out so it doesn't splash. Yeah, I changed everything around here. Put my reel here so it's closer. I moved the air compressor reel to the back. Yeah, so it's going good. Then I'll show you a little bit in the car. So bear with me, I'm going to be holding the phone at the same time doing this. So it's on. So it's spraying. And it gets all the water up so quick. You can make your nice lines. And that's how you do that. It's called Ripclean, guys. I'll put it in the link. You buy it off the website because Amazon does no longer sell it. See you later, guys. Brandon Detail Doctor here, signing out. Bye. This is the results from our shampoo machine. Came out really good. You can't deny a $200 machine is doing just as good as a Mighty, except the hot water. You can add your hot water though, which is awesome. And I do recommend this machine wholeheartedly. It's convenient. It doesn't take much maintenance. You can change the vacuum. So that's the majority of the problem, is the machine, it breaks down. Came out awesome. Ripclean, guys, check it out. I'm gonna put up the link. Good stuff. It's a mess over here right now, but this is this vacuum broke. I put some silicone here. It held up nice. Yep. Show you guys later. Bye.